Hey there, let's break down an exciting new contract role for qualified food industry fitters. Looking for a highly rewarding gig? Let's see if this opportunity is your perfect match.
The real standout here, the fantastic pay rate. We're talking 55 to 60 bucks an hour.
It's a lucrative, casual contract position located right in the western suburbs. Pretty convenient, right?
Plus, you get a reliable schedule. Consistent Monday to Friday day shifts, clocking off at 4 p.m.
So, do you actually have the technical toolkit required to handle these daily maintenance tasks? Well, your foundation is key. You absolutely need a Certificate 3 as a fitter and turner. You'll be troubleshooting complex packaging equipment every single day, mostly focusing on sensors, proximities, and conveyors.
Basically, you'll fix printing, filling, sealing, and cutting issues, all while maintaining super strict production tolerances.
Got experience with pneumatics, motors, or form fill and seal machines? That's a massive advantage here. And knowing your way around positive pressure rooms and hygienic food environments will really set you apart. You also need strict attention to detail and strong initiative, working in a small, close-knit team. If you pick up production processes quickly, here is exactly how you can take action right now. Just grab your certification and call Peter Horsfall directly at 901-88970 to discuss it. This role is through Engineering People. Just keep in mind, only successful candidates will be contacted.
So, are you ready to master the production line and claim this awesome Western Suburbs contract?